Hey guys, Justin here, and welcome back to the episode of Train Conductor's World. So last episode we have done Florence, and apparently Florence is very difficult. So I still actually haven't managed to actually beat the chaos afterwards, and I have this track ready to build over the Mars Star, which I'm just gonna try to build as least amount of alloy tracks as possible. So then not to waste too many. So I'm gonna go this way, connect it with this way, and then this way. I'm not gonna build that. So I'm gonna build this way, and then probably turn down here or go straight. Probably go straight here, down this way. And then up here, I'm gonna start to connect with Gothenburg. I actually already almost completed it. It's just a quick bridge because I got 3 of the straight alloy tracks. I just built it right away, and I need 1 more straight track to connect Gothenburg. Now we just do some missions in this level, in this episode. So we're gonna do Berlin crash test. Side swipe. Let's do rear end here. That's a heads-on. That's not even close to a heads-on. T-bone. Oh, that thing crashed already? That's pretty sure, actually. Oh. Oh, that missed! Damn it! Damn it! That thing just have to go straight. Alright, we got the crash test. Next is Bruges pop tests. Bruges pop test is actually very difficult because you do need to actually... Because for every train that you can have, you can only send them across 1 time. That's why you need to wait for balloons to come in order to decide where do you want to go with the trains. Okay, at least that pops some stuff. It's not a waste. That'll pop 3 of them. That's very useful. This will go down because you need to pop that one over there. Can you pop that one? You can pop this one. You can pop this one. And you can just pop this one. You have to go, unfortunately. Oh gosh! We're actually pretty screwed here. Ooh. Multi-crash going on right there. Just give me a straight track. Boom! Next episode will be Gothenburg. But I'm over here starting to still try to connect some stuff. So first go ahead and complete all the stuff here, and I'll record the next episode. High winds in Mons. Let's do it. Oi! Oi! It's so lame. Okay, Mons high winds. What's the challenge here? Pop 3 balloons. Okay. Did not make the pass. Balloon over there. Pop the balloon. Oh, got it. 3 balloons. Okay, you need to actually dodge this train because it's so slow. Be careful! And beat it. Let's do a Paris. This one's not really a regular level, so that's why I can do whatever strategies I want. So you see, I'm just doing random strategies. I'm not even doing the same strategy that I usually do because there's not really a big deal of using random strategies for this one because there's just not too many trains in this one. So it doesn't really matter where I go because there's not a lot of trains. For the normal levels, there are tons of trains, so that's why you need to send them to the same direction. But for this one, there's not a lot of trains, so I'm just gonna do it randomly. Got a Leon normal mission. Let's do it. Oh. Damn. Damn it. Huh. Fast train coming in. Got him. That was close. Need out 1,800 points. We got our 1,800 points. Got him. Got him. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and next time, guys, we'll be connecting with Gothenburg at the top of the map. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe, and peace.